First to clean the iPhone wins. Start on the ends here. Yep. Gotta get the ends first. Okay, now we can do the middle. Oh.
Let's see if I can do this better. If I get it, will you buy me a new phone?
Sure.
Okay. Because you have confidence that I won't get it. That seems skinny. Ooh.
Oh, that was good.
Ooh.
Okay.
Hey, but I still got 2 more though. So I mean.
Okay. Okay, now I gotta start in the middle. Let's try that. Oh, that's not exactly in the middle. Okay.
That was looking pretty good.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Back to back 99s.
Okay.
Okay.
That was not a great place to
Not a
start,
great
but
one,
that's
but that'll work.
where you did basically. So. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I gotta get that middle one like perfectly.
Oh.
That's not great. I like the color of it. It's pretty.
color.
Oh, you got it this time. Nice.
Let's go.